Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Revolut emails. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up the Revolut app, and then here in the top left, okay, you'll see a profile icon. I want you to go ahead and tap on this profile icon, and it will take you to this page. You'll see your information. What I need you to do is just go ahead and scroll down, and here you'll see these options, okay? And here you'll also see notification settings. And if you tap on this, you can turn off your email notifications, you can turn off your promotional notifications, partner offers, okay? You can go ahead and toggle these off. Basically, all of these push notifications as well, in-app notifications, marketing emails, you turn off from here on the app. And you can also go ahead and just open up any email and just click on subscribe button at the bottom of any marketing email. That's another way of going about it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.